All right, we are tart this morning on Sunday Brunch. We've got a very good recipe with our favorite chef, Frank Terranova, Classic Cooking.
Mario, how are you?
Good.
Mario, it's rhubarb season, okay? And all the stores are carrying fresh rhubarb. So I say, hey, let's go with rhubarb. Strawberries, they're not quite in yet, but when they come, the two will marry together. You'll have a beautiful mixture. Okay, but this is strawberry rhubarb tart. Now, I've used rhubarb for so long. I peel it. Some people like to leave the skin on.
Right.
I'm not really worried about the red color because I'm using strawberries.
Yeah.
And that took it. And sometimes these people don't realize the actual things are the skin is very, very tough.
Tough, yeah.
So I've got this. I got some beautiful strawberries. Very, very big. This is a very simple recipe. This crust that's on here, this was made yesterday, and I kept it in the freezer. This is worth the price of admission. I mean, you can see all these dots.
Yeah.
That's butter.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, it's a little butter amongst friends. All right, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cornstarch. That's the binder.
Yeah.
Some sugar, and a little lemon juice. And all we're going to do is just toss this to coat, and it gets filled into the shell. And we pop this in the oven. This takes a little while. This takes about 45 to 55 minutes to cook.
Okay.
Now, we serve this with what we call a chantilly cream.
Ooh,
now, a chantilly cream is just, if you look at the consistency, it's not whipped. It's not airy. The French like it very soft. I like it like that. And the difference is this contains a lot. It's very, very sweet.
Okay.
Contains a lot of sugar based on the fact that the rhubarb is going to take the tartness. And I put a little bit of citrus in it. I like sometimes lemon, orange, whatever the mood hits me.
My childhood, when my grandfather, when I was young, he had a farm with rhubarb. I used to pick it and peel it and then dip it in sugar and eat it.
If anybody has it, make sure, if it gets it given to you, you don't know too much about it, make sure you cut the leaves off, because the leaves are toxic.
That's right, dude. Oh my God, this is so good.
Yeah, it is. I mean, Mark, you can eat that whole tart.
Oh, easily.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I toyed with the fact of putting bacon in it. I said, I don't think that'll work. So maybe another time.
That's all right.
Yeah.
I don't need bacon in everything, believe it or not.
Right. But the dough is like a short dough.
Oh, this is so good. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
My God. What do we call it?
Strawberry rhubarb tart.
Recipes on our website.
Turn10.com.
And we'll see you next week.
We'll be here.